Jamie Lim, SEA Games gold medalist, one of the recognition sa PSA, and of course, lifetime achievement for your dad, sumalangit nawa, Samboy Lim. First of all, congratulations. How does it feel na, of course, kayo, ng inyong ama na nasa langit, nabigyan kayo ng award?
Oh yeah, syempre nakakatuwa po. I feel like our hard work is recognized, and I'm just so proud of my dad for this Lifetime Achievement Award, and I am honored to be able to receive it on his behalf.
Miss Jamie, alam natin, karate is not part of the Paris Olympics pero meron kayong mga pinagkakabalaan ng mga competitions na naka-line up para sa inyo. Tuloy-tuloy na rin ba yung training ninyo?
Oh yeah, so yung next competition that I am aware of is the Asian Championships pa, but it's later in the year, so we still continue training for maintenance, and we'll just stay ready for that.
And what do you look forward sa mga competition? Ano bang ine-expect mo for you, lalo na sa career growth ninyo, Jamie?
I'll just do my best as always, and I'll try to win it all and just train hard.
And lastly, your message sa PSA and of course sa mga taga-suporta nyo. Please go ahead, Miss Jamie.
Thank you so much for the award, for the recognition, for myself and for my father. It gives me so much pride and joy. And tonight is going to be one of the best nights, I think, of this year. So thank you so much.
Maraming salamat, Jamie, and all the best. Thank you so much po.